PowerSmart is aiming on developing innovative outdoor accessories and household tools for more than 10 years. We are dedicated to providing high-quality products and dependable service. Our specialized line of generators contains top powers and advanced design, which manufactures clean energy for sensitive electronics. Our gas-powered generator provides green energy for power tools, mobile devices, RV camping, and home power backup. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Wide application. PowerSmart Portable Generator is great for campgrounds, construction sites, mobile devices, and power outages. This outdoor generator is a workhorse that provides continuous power to handle multiple jobs, such as powering high-voltage appliances and heavy-duty power tools in different job sites. Number 2. Advanced design. The gas generator contains with 63 cc, 2 HP, 2-stroke gas-powered engine, which provides 1,000 surge watts and 900 rated watts. The weight of this gas generator is only 39 pounds, which is lighter than a traditional generator in the same output. Easy to assemble, pull start, and use, hassle-free to your daily use. Number 3. Clean energy. The 120 volts of household outlets and 12 volts of DC output are installed in the generator, which provides clean power to sensitive devices such as phones, laptops, and other outdoor electronics. The completed safety design prevents damage to these devices. Uses oil, gas mix fuel, so there's no need for oil changes. Number 4. Quiet technology and high fuel efficiency. Noise-free environment is one of our goals for this generator. The portable generator performs low decibel during operation, provides a quiet environment to the user. The generator contains a full fuel tank of 1.1 gallons. The generator can run for 5 hours when it is at half load. Number 5. Customer satisfaction. PowerSmart is always aiming at providing great consumers value with the absolute best price and quality entire line of products. All of our products qualify for a 2-year warranty. Our service team will provide premium service to help solve any problem, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does it have a fuel shut-off? Answer: yes, it has. It is under the fuel tank. Question number 2. Will this power a 700-watt microwave? Answer: please check the surge wattage of the microwave. If it is under 900 watts, this generator works. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.